Bene. 20 minutes, 30 sentences. This is one scheda. Let's do it. La carreggiata non comprende le piste ciclabili. The road does not comprehend, does not have cycle lanes. A road, yes, road does not have cycle lanes. The cycle lane is outside the carreggiata. We all agree? Small nod. It's vero. Now here, Charis, do you know how many carreggiatas are here and how many corsias? Can you identify by looking at the picture? It's a yes or no question. It's not a problem. Yeah. If you remember, not knowing something is not a crime. You cannot know something.
How many corsia?
No, how many carreggiata means how many roads and how many lanes?
There's two roads.
How did you figure that out? Where you see from there. You are seeing this as
no. There's four roads. Sorry, there's four roads.
Okay, then you know what? Let Dale give a clarification. Yeah, thank you, Cheris, for participating, and I'll let somebody else. Dale, explain to us.
There's 3 carreggiata.
Okay, so this one is one carreggiata. This is one carreggiata. This is one carreggiata. And how many corsias?
8 corsia.
8 corsia. How many of the carreggiata? Okay. How many of these roads are one way and how many of two way?
2 are one way, and 1 is doppio senso.
Doppio senso. Give us a pat on the back. Thank you very much. This is a one-way road going this way. This is a one-way road going this way. This is a two-way road here. So remember, as long as there are paintings on the ground, no matter how big it is, it's still one carreggiata. The moment there's a divider, like a greenery or wall or whatever, then it makes into 2 roads. Okay, so if I had, I could have a road with 8 lanes, but still one road only. Okay. So it says composto da 8 carreggiate. No, è composto da 8 corsie, non 8 carreggiate. So this is falso. Did we get all of us understood? If a single person did not understand despite of my explaining, ask me, tell me.
Sir, can you explain it again one more, please?
What you tell me? No, the Chand, you tell me, according to you, how many carreggiatas, how many roads do you see?
After explanation, I have understand. So
what part I need to repeat? Let me know which
but
part.
I always getting a little bit confusion. So what we call a road means carreggiata, right?
Yeah. What we see, road is a carreggiata where vehicles drive upon.
Okay.
A strada means a street,
Street.
which has everything. The street has footpaths and cycle lanes and everything. Carreggiata is where you actually visit the asphalt black road where you drive the people on the road. It's outside. No? So that's marciapiede, footpath, cycle lane. These are outside the carreggiata. So this is 3 roads. There are 3 separate roads.